I am 14 minutes away. 14 minutes I'm away. Can you just... could have happened over there while they're unloading me. An emergency popping up. Low air pressure. There's no air in the system, so I need to stop. And luckily I found a safe area to stop. I'm just gonna try one last time. Literally, as you heard, there's no air, or it should sound like this. Oh, no air. It should sound like tss, tss. That's for the lights. Let's go and try one more time. Parking brake, and this would have came on. You see, it's an automatic one. Just keep coming back on. It means there's no pressure. There's no air pressure. You can't hear it. Literally the air leak. Otherwise, if there was an air leak, you can hear it everywhere. It's pretty loud, so you can't really miss it. Airbags look okay. I've done enough on my side. 60 to 90 minutes. The 60 to 90 minutes. Who's gonna? It's a recovery. The 60 to 90 minutes recovery is gonna take. Once they come, they're gonna fix it. I've been in the back. I can't hear any air leak. Not in the unit or not in the trailer either. So let's go and do what we need to do. I need to call the traffic officer, and they got my details down. Just wanted to update you that mechanic has come here and he said it will be a recovery, so he can't fix anything. So I thought I'll probably update you and let you know. Should be within an hour. Yeah, will do. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Today, hopefully, she'll be back in the yard by... I can't get up by holding my camera and... yeah. 2 hours. What an experience, since I've been driving a truck, this has never happened. This is the first time. And they're finally here. No? You're not getting home, don't do it. What do you mean? What, you don't get to go home? Long hours, mate. Finally dropped off. I literally got no work done today. I'm saying I was 14 minutes away from my work, from my job. I literally got no work done today. Just came back, man.